In this video, we are going to review how to redeem your credits to buy tickets. Credits are a method that organizers may use to issue a refund to attendees. As an attendee, you can use these credits to buy tickets for the same organizer's future events on Eventbrite on or before the expiration date set by the event organizer, if any. When an organizer refunds your tickets with credits, you will receive an email. You must be logged in on Eventbrite to view your credit balance and use your credits. To view your credit balance, go to Credits in your account, where you can view the amount and expiration date of your credits per organizer. To use your credits, click See Upcoming Events to see a list of all upcoming events the creator is hosting. The search does default to your current location, so be sure to update the location if you are in a different area when redeeming your credit. Once you have found an event to go to, click Register, select a ticket and quantity, and click Checkout. Fill out your details and click Payment. Then select your credit amount under Credits. If the credit doesn't cover the full ticket price, select a payment method to pay for the rest and click Place Order. Keep in mind that you need to spend your credits on an event organized by the same organizer that gave you the refund for your original ticket. And that's it. For more help managing your orders on Eventbrite, see the Help Center articles and videos linked below.